Hawu.
Iona ngikhuluma.
Let's address phela mama sangeni.
Angisho ngimi
Siyaqhubeka siyarekhodana. Mawuthi unless you say imoto ayiphume.
Ngicela ungangirecord.
Ngeke ngingakurecord.
Angifuni
angangirecord
ngoba mina ngivumile ukuthi angirecord.
Hayi you don't have to vuma ithi Poppy Act. Ithi Poppy Act mama lalela. Ithi Poppy Act ngiyakwazisa isho ukuthi ivuma. Kufanele ube aware. Akithi mina wemama usase within iminyaka yokuthi ngabe usasebenza noma usuyipension.
Hayi.
Are you sure you are not there yet?
Akufuni wena.
Sengaki iminyaka?
Akufuni wena lo.
Hayi ngeke. Ngeke sihlobo ke. Uyangithreatenisha mina manje ngikhiphile. Cause kuno wrong owenzakele la.
Ngicela ukuthi ungangirecord.
Hayi ukurekhoda phela it's a Poppy Act yayithi mazisa umuntu. Ayi ngikwazisile. You don't have to vuma especially when there's corruption involved. And manje uyangi-intimidator when uyangithreatenisha. Ungitshela ukuthi unless wena ungavumi imoto iphume ngeke iphume. We understand.
If when you open the case, kusho ukuthi le moto lesokuhlala la
lalela i-court case mina njengamanje sengiqedile ngeithikithi lakho lithini kanti ngoba njoba ngibuya ku senior prosecutor ithikithi lithi mina ngiphume wena unalo ilungelo lokungivimba lo i-case ye bribery i-bribery kababa lo
yayiphi imoto
lalela u-section 87 wakho ukuthi upound imoto gogo hayi awusebenzi kanjalo umthetho akusiwa sekhakoma bakho umthetho
ukusebenza ngendlela yakho
urongi mama umthetho no umthetho obhalwe phansi ufunda muphi uthini u-section 87 mama
87 ithi amaspound ekhaya
uma yenzeni
manje ngabe i-comply
kwini
kuloko abakubhalele
i-compliance ebhaliwe bathe babhala ukuthini
bayazi bona babhala ukuthini
manje wena uma uthi izophuma imoto makusho wena ungazi wena ukuthi bayibhalele
izophuma kanjani le moto ine case
i-case ithini
ye corruption angithi ukusho wena
imoto ayihlanganisile lutho ne-corruption umuntu
ungamane ufuna i-corruption
that's why uvala impahla zami that's why uvala impahla zami
because afuna i-corruption
imoto no based on someone we are talking about the individual nomama uneminyaka esewithin ukuthi wena fanele ngabe yasebenza la ifana ngabe urithayile wena kusho ukuthi wangena ngenye indlela la emsebenzini
baba angali mina nemoto
uthini u-section 87
angikhulumise ngendlela right
kodwa kasisebenzi ngama-emotions yemfazi asisebenzi ngama-emotions yabona inyanga yethu sobabili uyabona mhlawumbe sisebenza ngama-hormones ngiyabona ngeke ungabi nama-hormones phela ngoba ungowesifazane sebenza ngama-hormones inkantolo the prosecutor has scrapped the ticket we understand this is umthetho mama umthetho lo ihlanganaphi imoto isibopha umuntu thina icase iproblem yakho mama you listen first ayithi bathi listening is a skill you first listen bese u-establish iproblem igeni kurasa wena wedwa yini sengehlile-ke mfazi sengehlile ngiyaxolisa umuntu omdala yazi ukulingana noma wami ngiyaxolisa umuntu omdala
bengekho mina
yini ungalaleli pho
ngilalela ini umama angirasela mina nafuna the whole day wayibangise office la ngoba office the whole day akezange office
driver wemoto ngisho ukhona wena makusetshenziswa
umama usebenza la traffic
usebenza khona
usebenza la i-case esivule la
bonke labo ma-traffic bonke labo angithi ngibize bona ngoba bona bebakhona
cha lalela-ke mama
Ngiyababiza ngoba
lalela ngibeke
bebakhona.
esithombeni uyabona umama ufuna uku-establish ukuthi what is the problem
mama biphathe uhleleni
okay umama uzabe uku-establish ukuthi kwenzakalani
kubuhlungu ukhuluma nepassenger ungakhulumi
mana ngeke uthi ngiya-interferisha kuyimi engikhipha imoto kuyimi engikhokhela imoto kuyimi umnikazi wemoto othi mina engiresponsible nemoto
imoto lapha yana ithi amkhizi
ithi imoto kaMkhize ummeli wami lokhuluma ngaye i-asset i-property yami ngazi nomfuna ngikutshela indaba yini ummeli wami lokhuluma ngaye ummeli wami lokhuluma ngaye okay kulungile ngulalela okay khulumani angithi umama usekhuluma nami nina ke thulani nina ke thulani hayi what girl ngaphandle mawufuna wena ukangithreatenisha izolo ufuna ungibamba ngesandla wena bangafuna ungibamba ngesandla izolo wena ungafuna ungibamba ngesandla ungangitshela ngicela ngibeke eceleni induku uma ufuna sibambane njengabantu besifazane uma ufuna benze njani
ukusizakala umama mangabe azophakamela
Cha,
mama
i-problem ngikhuluma nomuntu oyedwa shuthi nina nenza lento enithi mina bengiyenza shuthi mina niya-interfere
wena mangabe kumele ufuna
umbuzo uthi mina ngingakhulumi
mama ngeke usizakale uma ufuna silalele wena
okay
imoya
umama uyangilalela
cha kuze umoya kuze la silalela
Ubani ubhuti yena?
simo lesikuze si resolve kwamele
you are
ukuthi umoya
dictating the terms now
na ima-terms abani
ngifuna ukuthetha ukhuluma
ma-terms abani
awu-introduce la ngikwazi ukuthi
I don't need
ubani
to introduce myself to you.
hayi umsebenzi wakho uya-public servant yabona
Ma'am,
ufake i-uniform fanele u-introduce
Le ukhonela lo.
angithi manje ubhekelela mina ngibuza ukuthi ubani
Awukwazi.
Angithi ngibuza ukuthi ubani?
Dile ne-office bese
alikho i-office elisestradini mina ngitshela ukuthi angizothatha imoto
Then angeke
Mina ngitshelwe lokho.
Sikusize mama. Then
Ma uthi awungeke ungisize
angeke
ukuthi
ilunge,
uthini?
mama, angeke ilunge.
Yini?
Ayilunge umsindo.
usho uthini
Udila nomphathi and imoya kumele ithobelane. Mawuhluleka ukulalela umphathi angeke silalele nawo. Nawe angeke sikusize.
khabazela yebo khabazela yebo
Ngeke asizakale.
Asisifiso sethu
khabazela umama uthi okay nangummeli ngicela ukufaka speakerni khabazela akithi nikhuluma nawe ummeli akithi ngitshela okay khabazela kulungile wethu silumana
Fake speaking ba.
okay khabazela mfaka speakerni
Fake speaking.
mfaka speakerni
Ngeke sinesimane.
uphu eyami phone
Angithi ngifuna ukuyibamba
ngifuna ukufaka speakerni oh you can't put on my phone faka phone
ngifuna ukukhabazela. Yeka asingiyakhe le phone. Ifoni yakababa lo.
Right umama.
manje ungiphutalani mina ngiphethe ifone
Ngithi ngifuna ukumlalela ukhabazela.
phela fake ngibonika ifone
Angeke izilunge imoya mayikhalele.
khabazela
Ngeke asizakale.
Sisawukhuluma naye.
ngicela amaphilisi ami ngicela amaphilisi ami ngiphakeme that's fine
And thina
that's fine your chief yabona khani kwenzayo we getting there hayi ngeke ufike ungipanisha for more than 48 hours uphinde ungitshele leyo nto ngaphuzile medication nginabantu abadefaultile inkantolo isingikhiphile wena ungitshela ukuthi ngizoya ngama-terms akho ukuphakama kusho ukuthi angingathatha amaphilisi ami emotweni hayi ninankinga la ekhaya hayi nisazosebenza hayi ivaleni igate awuvula imoto singene emotweni hayi hey awungibambele la ngisagqokile khabazela ngehlile khabazela okay so on Saturday around 13:20 or 32 actually sizele le case engishoyo yama SAPS then sithe sizongena nje lie down sivinjwe usisi ubani setuki kodwa ukholi kwakho besivimbile then kwasusetuki esibhala ithikithi la 3.5 ireason yakhona imoto ibi expire on Thursday mhla ka 31 idisk kodwa ithelile mhla ka 17 kuyo noJuly kushuthi already isivalid idisk phela ayifakiwe emotweni kushuthi we failed to display idisk sibachazele leso story cha bathi ayikho into esoyichaza basicharge 3.5 basifakela ithikithi libhalo 3.5 sebeqedile ukubhala 3.5 base bethi asibalandele size la imoto iyaboshwa ngithi mina phela mawusunginika ithikithi fine yami le uthi wena angibuye mhla ka 14 October kodwa la ethikithini futhi kubhale ukuthi uma ngihlulekile ukukhokha le mali bayo mhla ka 25 September ngingaboshwa 26 September ngingaboshwa so kusho ukuthi mina angihambe already because ithikithi lami lithi mina sengiboshiwe uma ngawe ugcina ngomthetho sengizobe sengiyaboshwa ke all together bathi cha bayangipounda already they are applying section 87 umbuzo uthi section 87 lera lona ukuthi i-charge iqala ifine ngiyazi yo 200 rand uma you fail to display si-arguisha sibanga lokho bangafuni nje ukusinika a-room masifika la egatini basimise egatini ngaphandle bese funa u-2000 umkhonza athi udriver ngitshela ukuthi 2000 ukhona mangithi mina anginayo imali yokhokha leli ticket ikho ngithi ngizolikhokha Monday futhi sengifike enkantolo ngalinegotiate imali yakhona because angibelieveli ukuthi wena oqala i-charge yakhe correct mawuzongitshela ukuthi imoto ayikho roadworthy kanti awu-checking ngane officeini athi ama-office avalile but athi asambe siyokhokha ngaphesheya which means even if awuyiko circulate imoto but wena i-office uthi livulile lapha ngaphesheya asambe siyokhokha bese ngithi kuyena kunomuntu engicela akhulume naye because angifuni ukuthi ngize ngichaze ukuthi ngobani kwenze njani ngifisa sichazelana umthetho ngoba mhlambe uze washo wathi KZN umthetho wakhona usebenza separate awufani nomthetho waseMpumalanga ukube bese KZN uyazi bekuzoxetshula idisk emotweni kuthiwa hambani uma uhlulekile ukonarisha that then usuyaboshwa but la eMpumalanga it's a different story. That's when I tried to call uNational wenu. Okay, then ngingamthole at the time bese ethi yena lo muntu othi uzonifakela imali ngoba ngithe mina ngeke ngimnike lo 2000 because mina ngazi ukuthi oka petrol umethi udrive usho njalo udriver akakwazi lokho iowner yemoto ayikwazi lokho because mina engiresponsible for that so ngeke ngize ngikwazi mina ukumnika u2000 kimi access umthetho loyo athi ke hayi ake sibe sihlanganisa mina ngihlanganisane ke icall yaloko athi lo muntu wenu ngangisendela nansi number yami asinike inumber yakhe siyithathe but bese ethi asihlalela ngaphakathi athi abangasisa ngazi ngemuva kephi ngoba kunama camera basibekela khona kwantame epakela iqale nje athi asipake khona sihlale ke khona ngoba bebuza ukuthi sothatha isikhathi eside noma sizoshesha yini sebozivulela ke mangabe isishila ifone yakhe aha singene nangempela sipakile nje for an hour masiqeda sehla khona sathi sicela besitshengisa ioffice ekuyilona kufanele siyokhokha kulona basithathe basise ngale ngaphesheya sifice umama ngikhohle ukuthi bambiza ngosisi bani nomunye usisi abayi2 bese sithi sicela umphathi bathi umphathi usaphumile bese ngithi mina ngoba ioffice bekuthiwa livuliwe lihlulwe yini ukucheck idiskette because ithi abayosibhekela emotweni kuyona esale kuyona kubabe ekhaya uma belishutha akafunanga nolibheka wathi amafoni ayenza nezinto ezingekho emthethweni so ngeke azalibheke ngisho ukulibheka thina sikhiphele imali ithikithi lizodabula sihambe so uma ngabe sesi abuye ngicela i-charge sheet yakhe ukuze ngazi ukuthi eMpumalanga ngoba abamfundelanga umthetho besikhona abamfundelanga umthetho ubengazi nokuthi uyaboshwa at the time ngoba mina ngithe ngifika ubeqala ukubhala ngisafuna ukwazi ukuthi yini lesiyenzile sixolise siphambane nako because imoto yintsha yonke into right ngokunderstanda kwami okay asikhiphele into esho ukuthi 3.5 makwenzakaleni but leye failure to display ayiveli kuleli page kodwa uthi yena usisi loku yena osichargeile imoto ayikho roadworthy so ifola under le charge le esifaka ku section 87 no 3.5 lo akhuluma ngayo bese ngithi mina ayikulungile akuze lo ke osithembisa ukuthi thina engasehlisela hayi ukuthi asehlisela othi asikhopha 2000 bese besibona cha umphatha akekho eofficeini umkhonza kusho ukuthi angasikhona umkhonza wesifazane wesilisa or something athi umama usayombheka abuya athakekhe officeini usamfonela amchaze ukuthi unjani sithi thina cha bekumuntu wesilisa obesizile ukhona nowesifazane okuyena obhala ithikithi but bekuseduke afike useduke sithi akasichazeleke ukuthi siboshwa ithini charge yethu isukelaphi ngoba akasifundelanga nomthetho asifundele ke la okungasikho lokhu thina esicabanga ukuthi sibhalelwe saboshelwa khona liphi ithikithi ngicela silithole ku drive so sigcina si-arguisha kushuthi I don't know ukuthi ubani ohambe wayotshela bona ukuthi umama onjanjani ko-TikTok and what not because ubuye usisi wafuke wahlutha ifone game le traffic le yafika hlutha ifone game sayibamba ngihamba namasosha amaningi bamphuceka ifone ayisiqhubeke sirecord baphume e-office basitshela ukuthi asiphume beku-4 something at the time ntambama lokhu sifike kusukela ngo-1 yonke lento i-negotiation kanto iyi-hour baze bathetha labanye ukuthi it's been over an hour usisa kasale ilungisa la njani emva kwalokho mayezama ukubamba ifoni that's why bese sihubhana-ke size siphume-ke basixoshe-ke ngaphakathi e-office bathi bayavala siphume ngoba ke bashiya sasala sodwa siphume masiphuma ngaphandle batshela i-security ukuthi ayizozivalela la asingangeni la egeyithini ayifika e-security kushuthi ibingazwanga over the radio yaze egeyithini athi yazivulela baqhamuka kuleli gate lakho because besimkulele ngenhla baqhamuka kuleli gate lakho balibiza balitshela ukuthi alingazivuleli yena lo sisi lo alingazivuleli ayi nangempela sihlale egeyithini kuze kufike enye imoto yona-ke bekuthiwa ayikhokha 1.5 isprint bekuthiwa sikhokha 1.5 ngoba ithikithi abalibhale lona u3.5 nabantu bakhona-ke bathethe bahambe babuye ngathi asho udrive uthi kade ngikuflikela umlungu ufakile 1.5 athi abayokhipha ngemoto ethi akagibela imoto khona sengimbuza-ke mina ukuthi okay sungivalele but angiphuzile i-medication yami ngehle ngifaka amasokisi la mawubheka le cathulo ngiyibolekiwe leza kusone zami bengehle ngifaka amasokisi ngey'nyawo thinking ukuthi ngiya kuthiwa kungaphesheya komgwaqo bengikade ngifake icathulo inyawo seyivuvukele so uma sibuya ngisesivalelwe thina ngibuya ngithi mina kusho angitholi icathulo zami angitholi ibag yami abadlila abantu engihamba nawo angitholi amafoni ami angitholi lutho abangafuni ukusi-entertain at all babizana baqhwebana babhekisana le salwe gateini up until we walk to i-police station njoba sisuka la njoba ngihamba ngama-crashes masifika e-police station bekuyoshaywa ifitwa amaphoyisa lapha imoto amaphoyisa bebaletha so kuze kube ukuthi-ke sihambe-ke besibuza i-police station besitshela ukuthi it's nearby size sifike e-police station masifika Butvuyo ngizocela ukuthi ubalinde ngale kuze kube ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi inkosi le okay kuze kube ukuthi siyafika e-police station then i-shift ibisizoshintsha silinde abalandelayo but bengigodolile ngiyo yonke into I needed medication bahambe-ke bangifunela medication basuke-ke nenkosi yala esifikele khona e-Emelo not e-Emelo Witbank bafike-ke bangifikele nento yokugqoka ngingene emotweni ngibewa because ayikho into ebengizoyikhuluma at all kade befuna ungivulela i-statement okay finally baze case finally baze basivulele i-case eyani ye-bribery nokugcina into zethu ngokungemthetho personal because into ephawundiwe imoto not us not impahla zethu okay basivulele siqede sithi sicela amaphoyisa sifonelele bona angayibambi ubaba umkhonzi phone sonke lesi sikhathi angayibambi kuze kuthi ngabobe ku 2 minutes past 12 ebusuku aphinde bafone abuye uShabangu lo iphoyisa bekade bezivulele case athi uthe akayekwe umthetho wala awufani nomthetho wabahlanganaphi imoto iyophuma mase senze lokho kufanele sikwenzile so babuye ke bazo reporta lokho ethi mina ke simfonele ngefone yami simfonele masimfonela angaphenduli kakhulu afake umama uSikhosana efonini angazi umama uSikhosana kusho ukuthi yena akamphethe afake umama uSikhosana kwi conference call achaze for good 16 minutes 27 seconds achaza qede ukuthi usisi lo ukhuluma indaba zama bribe mina bengakhuluma indaba ye bribe istory sikha phezulu and what not angachazi mina yena fanele relay story kubani kumphathi wakhe so that ngizochaza istory sami ukuthi why efonelwa ngobani kuthe mase iphoyisa eseqedile ukusichaza istory sakhe iphoyisa leli mase lithi lifuna ukuchaza ukuthi why sikufonela asinqabile ukuthi imoto yaboshwa but sicela impahla zethu amaphoyisa abuza ukuthi ubani ozosivulela sithathe impahla ilokho esikudingayo because bekubanda njengoba usibona sigige ngamatronji ufika lapha kuyabanda akekho ugqokile akekho behle uyabona ukungena la e-office lakho I don't need anything ngidinga this pen I don't need my handbag I don't need anything so thina siphume nje siyithi asidli asiphethe likhona bebe charge ngisho amafoni emotweni esingazi noma isayoduma because ishiwi connectwe yonke into because siyabuya so kuthi ke mangabe sekukhuluma uofficer lo shutha amhlulu mama angafuni ukulalela istory sakho bese ethi uofficer can uchaza istory sakho sisi nange ngingangilaleli ngithi ngiyakhulumathi mama hey u12 engivuse ngawo mina aningiyeke ningilala avala ifoni mama wabantu sibuze ke asala umkhonza because uyena obefake conference call sibuze umkhonza senze njani because wena kusho ukuthi usiphucela ilungelo lethu leimpahla sishilo zathi thina sikulwisi kulokho kushoyo sizovela thina enkantolo on Monday as much as usinika umhla 14 October unfortunately mina fanele ngabe ngise high court namhlanje ngine trial namhlanje nakusasa so angisayile mina but again anginalutho engitshela ukuthi wena imoto nje obuyithatha unginikeni already wena imoto uyipoundile imoto but mina nginalutho esho mangafika kusasa ungitshela ukuthi leyo moto awuyazi akuna evidence anyway so wena mina ungishiye estradini phezulu kwalokho ushiye nezinto zami even if I wanted to go to Durban because there's a matter that is pressing ngizobonakala ngidelela inkosi ngidelela umthetho if ungasabanga enkantolo there's evidence he refused to even check ukuthi ngiyathala ngize ngathi even the witnesses osenza umculo minister because kuthinta ama departments so angikwazi ukuthi mina besuphinwa uhulumeni mina bese ngingaye enkantolo angangeni ubaba abantu avala ifone ubesafuna ukarguisha up until amaphoyisa sihlale kwaze kwashaya u2 silokhu sizama bese sithina ngese sikwazi ukuhlala kuze kuvama umusa sicela ukufuna indawo yokulala sizoya kule guest house ebiveli nabantu abarojwa amaphoyisa la basithatha basisa kuyona guest house bafike basicelela ukuthi sinenkinga nje asinalutho so much that thina ukudla sikuthengelwe kule guest house ebusuku amaphilisi ngwanika umama wakhona i-department nje manje sicha siphathelile nje invoice yayo yakoleta nang 29000 wabantu about 21 sisonke nakhaya nayi statement sase police station lese case. Now kuze kube ukuthi ke sihleli asikwazi ukuphuma thina sikwazi ukuya ndawo njoba kwamanje balethwa amaphoyisa nje siphume police station kwamanje sehla senyuswa amaphoyisa size sithi sesitholile icase number sase siya ku senior prosecutor uyena bese sikhanselela iticket ubuze nje kuphela ikhona evidence samtshengisa lokho wakhansela iticket leli besides there's a case where i-charge iqala wrong. Now imatter ke is with the ministry now. And also imatter izoya ku portfolio eqondene bengithi ku transport bengazi ukuthi public works ilaba ababhala inspectorate but insendaweni eyodwa nonetheless. So sesibuyile ke sizoyithatha imoto asihambe because it's khona anywhere around asizohamba because we need to resolve this matter once and for all, and law committee crime we need him behind bars.
Okay. Njengoba ngichaza mina Amandla Nkosi ngika finance.
Okay.
That's why mangithola lapha ku
traffic ewindeni
cash office.
Yes.
Angisho ngimlengrana le cash office.
Oh, okay.
So hence ngingabo ngibese ngithi awusingincede because ngibona nimile lapha then ke sengikunginceda. Sine division ye transport inspectorate within financial management within the department.
Okay.
Sine si collector just revenue.
Okay.
My office is facilitating the collection of revenue. So my challenges now, when head yakona section, which is Babes Funza,
uzosipha ama details akhe.
Nema details Babes Funza.
Okay.
Ado kona we attend promptly, but because we've recorded everything.
Yes.
I will share it to our senior manager so that he can know if there's a situation that is coming to the department. This is the situation so that the corner we address.
Okay. Singakushiyela ama copies or will email once
I can also take copies of everything.
Okay. So tell ukuthi umuphela.
I can take copies of everything and then because angisho lana kufuna kubukwe my credentials ukuthi kuze kwendeke le case who was at fault ngibani lo right ngibani lo wrong sifika la sifika njani.
Yes.
That's why ma sine department nathi sine legal department yethu that is gonna look at the matter and everything.
Yes.
But for now njengoba ninenidela nithole mina ngininceda it's just a matter of taking this matter forward to the relevant people.
Okay, well appreciate ukuthi usipha ama details aqondile ka mphathi kaBaba Sifunza ukungibhalele lana ngicela ukhiphe these copies bese enye into engizoyicela over the weekend le activity while sikhona siwrite impela ama senior finance because sokwazi ukuthola a proper report yazo zonke imoto ebekade ikhokha ngoba ezinye ziletha ama cases kuthina while we are still there. Omunye nje bade bethi abamvalele for 5 hours ufikele pha yabo nje yonke usuku lwethu nje besilokhu witness izinto eziningi ezenzakalayo. So ekufanele compare abantu ababoshiwe versus imali engenile eofisini esikhuluma ngalo. That's beyond my case now.
It's beyond your case. That's why I'm certain information angisho yami.
Yeah, asizoformalize there.
There should be snapaya.
Yes.
Through yona so that you can request such information.
See problem. Yes. I'll do that. Ngizowathola nama details wakhe aqondile mina ngizokusendela i-email eformal and lodge a formal complaint and bese ngicela ukuthi nisilekelele ngale information esobe siyidinga. And there are also allegations la endaweni yakho kuno Legend Logistics osuka la eWitbank usesebenza no SG Group kuno Transnet la nezinye zama mine ubuthi mawuza la ama allegations at ama truck abethi elindele ukuthi alode 34 tons or 34 tons but abe overloader bese kuthiwa nongena isikalini noma kunjalo umlungu useyobasendela i-wallet. There's even evidence yama e-wallet yama traffic ala.
Oh, that side, that's why ngichaze ekuqaleni ngithi sine traffic ika saved
Okay.
sine-traffic ka-public works.
Yes.
Le ka-public works transport inspectorate laba lababhala only public transport.
Okay.
Overloading, it's part of its safety.
All right.
Laba dila ngama-way bridge nani ngile traffic le yaka safety le bhalwe imoto takhona dithi traffic control.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
So that claim, I think, is related to traffic ngale safety.
Yes.
Ngibona badila nge-overloading.
Okay.
Yes.
Then there's another case. VW Mnisi driving school. There's a driving school VW Mnisi. VW Mnisi kwe ula. VW Mnisi uthengisa ama-license working with your inspectors or whoever. Angithi bona yinini testayo laba bazopasa noma it's the other department.
It's not the department.
Traffic
it's traffic municipality.
The municipality.
Yes, ngibona bena i-grant.
Abanama bylaws.
Labanema bylaws.
Asizelana ukuthi ke the issue ye yokupaka kwama-truck in this town. Is it your issue as a public works where there's no demarcated area for them, or it's an issue of traffic safety, or it's an issue yamaspala where there are municipal bylaws ekufanele kunendawo allocated specifically for them? But again, abakwazi ukungena la edolobheni abavumelekile. Bayangena yebo kodwa basami to an extent ukuthi khambe kuba namapholi yonke indawo. Uboxer lo ophuma ngawo bebekwazi ukuma khona bathenga ukudla ba deposit benze anything nokhishwa isisu enze something, but they are no longer sekufakwa amapholi kuvaliwe. Ayikho indawo designated for such. But again, bekuthi uma ubanjiwe ke la, whether for permit engatholakali, so much that ama traffic mawuke wama ngoba uthi ukhishwa isisu baze bebaginqe phansi. Shuthi ka o traffic abahlukene lapho kuno inspectorate sengizwile mina no inspectorate kuno safety kuno masipala ngithi.
Yes.
Ngifisa ke mhlobo wami your office to assist angithi ama stakeholders lawa sihluke esikhuluma ngawo akhuluma language J1 enza umsebenzi oyi1 different departments, right? Ngifisa ungilekelele kulama stakeholders because sifuna ukungena kwi center yale corruption esikhuluma ngayo. We understand. Ukuthi uyena bani and uyena bani ke ekufanele alekelelile to if it means we must adjust ama bylaws where we have indawo eqondile because baze bayakhokhiswa baze bayithola behlukumezeka because there's no designated area for bona. Uma semile ke funa ukuthenga ukudla or anything, this is the idolobha ama voice note abo bonke truck drivers abane problem efana etholakala kule ndawo. Sizeza ifikela o driver bama truck abanye laba abaku case esikhuluma nabo engihamba nabo. We understand. Bakhona abanye baphandle. Now nginama issues ke engithe ku Transnet, ngane issue efaka driving school ethengisa ama license working with traffic kwala. Ngine evidence mina ngilethe ingane specifically. Ihlale for good 2 months. Ngababom angizwani necase ukuthi ngingabi ingxenye yawo mina personally khona uma sengithi akabe boxini bese ngishintshela. Yahlala 2 months. Bayidlula bonke khokhela ne-accommodation, years evidence ye proof of payment to the driving school I'm talking about. Law VW Mnisi. I told him last week that I'm coming. Sengikhona. There's proof of payment eyaka VW Mnisi. Sikhokhile ukuthi izofunda learners, ifunda ukudriver, iziphumise right ikwenzile, ibingayi ema testing attack balekile ukuthi iziye khona, izopractice ngesinye isikhathi. Yahlala esidiscard ihleli belokubeka abafike before yona baze watshela ukuthi angathi ayikhokhele fanele ku bribe ama office. That's why yafela 3 times cause mina ngibribile bebe 2 lo munye sayicancel yakhe sasesishiya lo. Now icase leyo ye bribery again ne corruption efaka your officers ngizothi your officers because you are part. So I need these stakeholders ehlangene. And sisaya kumnisi lo. Ngikhulume naye nawo ama message, he decided to block me bengaqala ukukhuluma naye. So shuthi mina lento yami nje nanje la ikhona nje uyabona. ithi ayibe khona nje sisazohlala nje sino Transnet ngaphezulu uTransnet ukuthi kuziwe kuyena namanye ama power station khona ibridge leni leli likwazi ukudlulisa abantu abangaphezulu kwesikali sekokhulunywa bese communicate officer kushuthi ikebe erelaxile nje ukunginike inamba ukuze sekomlandelo ngokwakhe yabona ngoba it's something a common ngithi ke mina baze banebhada abantu yazi ngithi ngiyoyikhulumisa kahle lento nje sibonana but decide ukuthi ayasiyenze the other way around yabona ke simisane nje la emgwaqeni sithi uyabona ukuthi ama cases engivuye ngiprepared ngizele wona specifically then they decided to feature themselves ngasheshe ngafika kubona sengifisa nje ukuthi ungilekelele la ukuthi how do I get stakeholder 1 stakeholder 2 no stakeholder 3 no stakeholder 4 ukuze sikwazi ukukhulumisa lo daba all together kahle nina ningena ngenxaphephe sidila no Legend Logistics no SG Group no SG Coal no Transnet no Eskom those entities ayathinteka kube uLabor no baningi abantu abathintekayo nama portfolio athintekayo but ke nani ke niyangena khona so much that your colleagues ngesikhathi siya ku Legend kumlungu lo iyasethwa yini okay sivumele uyangirecorda na
no uthi uyangirecorda but while I'm listening to a story Cisco phela that's what I'm
akenze commitment I understand the copy X Cisco
ngicela ukufotoko
ngicela uyithathe nje zonke for yena because kuhamba konke for a case that I'm trying to relate to you oh okay
angifundo
oh yena mama besikhuluma naye izolo
yeah
yini ebi yazi
wena waba nesibili ufonela umuntu ngo1
hayi phela mnambe kufanele abe ngisemndenini wami
mina ngifonela
mnambe kufanele ngibe semndenini wami lo sister
ngiyathanda ukubona umfazi ohlukumeza abanye abafazi like yourself
what about me nengane zami mina ngikhubazekile ngivalele imoto amaphilisi ami ngingawatholile
what about the act
ethini ethi fanele ubophe impahla zami hayi imoto hayibo umama yazi umama unebhadi ayakangibuyele this is what she did even at night simlalelile the whole story as relate to colleague wakhe instead of listening to our side because besingalwi naye sithina kulungile ilungile akusithi esithaka sifone akafone asimazi nomphathi wakhe besingahlanganise lutho naye
but this one just an eye-opening issues like the recording and the shooting part angisho mina I'm not in good standing for my department to
yikho ngishilo ngathi mina akusi problem uzo relay story nami ngizo relay story
no what I wanted from you is just to understand your matter ngindlulise
to the relevant people
that's what I said
angithi yikho
that's why I
ngishoyo
want answer to anything I don't know whether ngibamba angathi uyangiva mosibani
into lalela wesibalikhulu
okay masoso libhadalile so selisayina i-prosecutor so selibhilonga ngithi ba angisho vele nayobhadala ithikithi
okay
ngikwenzani ukhipha imali obhadala
cela usiphi copy akuhluphe you can keep it cela usiphi copy ma
ngazi ngizwe uthi udriver uthi tshela madawusela le anikele le copy thina sizokusala na original
okay what happened umkhonza ufonelwa amaphoyisa ukuze asinike into zami ngidinga amaphilisi sithi thina kulungile soyele enkantolo imoto iboshiwa ngithi but impahla zethu aziboshiwe ngimtsheleze early as u5 something elethenye imoto la ngathi ngicela ungivulele ngiphume ngehle ngamasokisi mina le icathulo ngini kwamasosha laphandle ngoba kade ngihamba ngeenyawo ngoba ngitshela ukuthi ngiya across the road inyawo zami ivuvukele njengoba ungibona ngihamba ngenduku uma ngabe umkhonza ehamba no colleague bakhe esikhahla ahambe ngaso cause sesibanga into yebribery ka2009 uma umkhonza relate story sakhe kumama bekufanele angithi introduceela ukuthi eze ukuthi why are we calling cause we need into zethu zipersonal kunama phone kuna even my wallet abantu bebengena asina ngisho imali yokudla you can't keep my purse you can't keep my medication on top of that as early as 4 Begloku ngatshela amaphoyisa at the time ngicela ukuphuza izinto zami angiqabile mina imoto uyithatha mina umthetho ngiyawazi ngiyaunderstand ngisebenza ngawo uya understand angilwi nawe kuphela mina ngifuna evidence ukuthi why ngekho ku trial today ngizoba enkantolo today abameli bami basenkantolo balungisa udaba ngizoya ku trial tomorrow nabo senzo mchunu it's fine but today ngidinga evidence yokuthi why was I here bekungiphoqa ukuthi angingahambi even if beyikhona le mali ukuthi angiyikhokhe same time ngale ukuthi uvalele into zami bengingayikhokha kodwa endaweni correct. But still I'm entitled to speaking to the prosecutor about this charge because it was only a failure to display. So umesamchazele bachazelana the bribery part board bavunana bodwa ngebribery part angasiyo umama ingxenye yakho because asizwile istory sethu. Kuthe mase kufanele akhuluma uofficer uvaleke nje esathu sakhuluma usabingelela umama amnika ngechance yokukhuluma. Kuthe sengithi anginike ifone athi ngicela ubachazela istory ukuthi sifuna impahla zakho sizokuthatha bekunika impahla ose i-security. Kodwa umuntu ekuthiwa ka authorize okuyena ofaka imoto. They didn't listen. Uthe yengilele u12 njengoba nimfonela ngo12 walo mama that is on record. Sihlukane nayo mama simnyekele. Sicela amaphoyisa ngo2 bekuyima sithathe siyisa lapha. Kwi-establishment esizela udaba layo leli sengirelate khona. Now uma sivuka ke kuseni thina vele sivula icases yikho sesisuke police station ye-bribery nokugcina impahla zethu personal belongings because akusiyimoto impahla eziboshiwe imoto hayi impahla. And fanele ngibe eDurban angikho eDurban enkantolo nge-high court. Ngathi cha sizawucomply because asifuna umuntu acabanga ukuthi sinenkinga naye. Sizolandela nje imigudu ngicela ungizwile ukuthi ngize ngani mina la. Okay fine up until ke basithathe basinike kwi-establishment ba-activate indaba ye-booking ba-activate indaba ye-booking
bahamba nami
no okay okay ba-activate indaba ye-booking sibhukelwe silale asiphethe lutho akukhokhiwe akwenziwe njani njengoba ngibunika i-invoice yala ekhaya eyamaphoyisa eyakho umkhonza lena ne-department yakhe. Sekuzochaza ke uminister neportfolio yakhona no national department ebese sifonela umama after behaving that way. We understand. So sivuka ke sebeyasinika icase number besingazi ukuthi bingaregister ngani iweekend yonke. Bebethe ngeSaturday at night bazolinda kufika umphathi wabo izolo. By 9 izobe isho ukuthi decide the case ukuthi ya register noma I register. Why would you decide ngivula icase? Because the evidence is for the investigating officer. Ukuthi kushiwo ukuthi case ikhona and taking it matter to prosecutor I decide ukuthi matter ikhona noma yikho not amaphoyisa to decide. But nonetheless we had evidence ama video that we played ekhuluma ngebribery which was the evidence that qualified the criminal case. Then this morning siyafika icase asitholile case number so report basithatha abaphathi sifice ku management meeting ngenhlahla bafuna ukuestablisha lokho no anti crime ubani bekhona efonini konje was it unkosi uCaptain unkosi ubekhuluma nobani lo ngale kumed I suppose kuba ukuthi ke bafuna ukuestablish ukuthi case ikephi because idocket ikhona sebeyitholile but ayirecordiwe ayivuliwe icase nangempela bakuestablish lokho we played the recordings bathi asibafekele ku USB as evidence that qualifies the case kuningi okunye okubese kuvela sase sibanika lokho abakufunayo basinika icase number sathatha ithikithi saya ku prosecutor uprosecutor ubuza ukuthi iphi evidence samnika ithikithi the very same thing enqatshwe uofficer here akahlupha ngebhuli labantu labelenza umsebenzi labelisinika thank you baba we understand sase sithi ke sase simbuza ukuthi ke mana ke umuntu omkhulu what really transpired here lokho kwenzakele versus what is supposed to be happening. Wathi buyelani kubo irresponsibility yabo njoba sengikanjena nje icase unayo case number you have everything shothi wena landela imigudu kuze kudilwe nalento eyenzakele. We understand. So kithi bese kubuya la as per the advice ka senior prosecutor njobe cancel ithikithi kanje imoto siyayikhipha yebo but we are not going anywhere because kunalama cases esikutshela ukuthi sizele wona bathandile nje ukuyigaxa sihleshe sifike kubona singakafiki.
Sisikwa sesimakafika la uthe ufuna ihead ye-traffic. I explained to her ukuthi bebakhona ukuthi traffic yethu kune public ne traffic yaka safety sine traffic which is inspectorate on our side. Udzinga yipi i-traffic wathi laba lababhala i-public transport. I explained to her no public transport nababesifunda who's the head of that particular section. Can I assist that she's bringing on the table?
Yeah, ngisho.
What is the matter that she's bringing on the table? That's why she started to explain it. Njengoba ngila, I'm listening. But what I said to him, as the head of finance,
yeah.
but I will listen to your story and take it to the relevant
Departments.
person to deal with it. That is my story.
Okay. Angali baba ne.
Yes.
Nami bangifonile. Nawe ngeke bakufonela ngo1:30. Ungekho emsebenzini usebenza. Mina what I've said to them ukuthi mina as a peace officer umuntu engizokhuluma naye is a driver because imoto according to understanding yami imoto ino driver ine string C1. Mina ngicela ukukhuluma no driver angikhulumi nani ne passenger and then after that I drop before that angikhulumi vele ne passenger ngoba vele noma ngimisa imoto umuntu oqala engiya kuye is the driver. Abona kube ebusuku lokho nabangifonile bathi sikufaka conference with the driver mhlambe bengizovuka ngihlale ngikhuluma but hayi le passenger is what I've said angisho so nangabe ngirecordile
ngorecordile mama ngicela ukuphindela ukuthi kwenzakala
angikhulumi ne passenger mina ngikhuluma nani no driver ngoba mina ngichatshelwe ini ngichatshelwe ucela license ku driver ngikhulume no driver wena waso uthi impahla zami ngathi masivalela imoto sisuke sitshela umuntu sithi umuntu nesikhwama sakhe phansi it might happen nalile nomhlika nekhwama zenu bengeke baniforce ukuthi nithathe inkhwama zenu nina vele masimisa abantu baba asifaka sithi imoto ingene phakathi bese sithi imoto ingene phakathi bese sicela ukuthi nihlike nemthwalo yenu asibazi ngibaphendule lokho kuphela akukho kuye ngikhulumile ngase ngidrop before ngathi mina ngilele unless ningikhulumisa no driver.
Okay, can I tell you what transpired because ngenhlahla there's a recording uzoyibona futhi nayo because it's part of evidence. Umama ufonelwe iphoyisa akakalizwa iphoyisa why is the police calling. Bekufanele mayeqeda ucolleague wakhe ukumchazela kamchazela khona bese lalela to the other side of the story. Akusithe simfonela ufonelwe iofficer yakhe.
After officer yami ngaphendula one.
Ngicela ume mama. Mina ngikulalelile waqeda ukukhuluma. Can I relate story
ngiphendule ngilo. Abona kube bengiphendule ngilo.
Okay mama manje angithi awusazi story ukuthi why were you being called. You first listen bese kuyima ukwazi ukwenza ijudgment ukuthi umuntu ekufanele ekhulume nawe ubani ungenapi. Manje problem iqale ekuthenini ukuthi you decided to listen to your officer and you didn't listen to the other side of the story where you were going to establish ukuthi okhulumayo ubani ungenapi why you because sina sishonga ukuthi akakufonele. We understand uyena asina inamba yakho thina siyamangala nje mase sikubona siyaqala ukubona. So uma kufaka conference call akasinotify ukuthi uyakufaka conference call. Sithule simlalele kulo 17 minutes 16 minutes 27 seconds echaza istory ngikhuluma nobabili. Useyasho ukuthi ucela ulalele akhuluma iphoyisa seliyasho ukuthi lifuna ukuchazela kufonelana. You didn't listen to her either. Ubusakhuluma nephoyisa ka SAPS uShabanga. Uyi-introduceile washo ukuthi uyena wathi uthi uyachaza wangamnika iplatform to chaza.
Vele ngamchazela ngathi baba.
No, angithi phela you listen
mina
first.
ngizokhuluma no.
Angithi awugeza ukuthi uShabanga ufuna ukuthini. Angithi awukamuzwa uShabanga ukuthi ufuna ukuthini.
Hala. Hamba ngishiyeni.
Uyabuya mama lama. This is the attitude umuntu adile nayo.
Check imoto yami tikhiye lotilivale mina ngishiyeni. Ngizabuya ngemoto yami.
Thina inkinga mhlambe mina mama sikhosana ake ngikhulume noDlamini nga-address wona direct khona ungezophendula.
Yeah, yazi mina.
So baba uDlamini.
Jama mina bengicela ukukhila baba uDlamini.
No, angithi phela we mama you listen.
Kule ndaba.
Awukwazi hayi uphakathi mama yeyi uphakathi akufuthi ngaphansi kwalokho. Hayi uphakathi ntombi. Yeyi uphakathi ntombi.
Ngizokushiyana wena.
Oh hayi uphakathi ntombi uphakathi and lalela mama you are public servant lalela mama. Lalela imini umnikazi wemoto. Imini efuna kimi bribery. Imini
ngayifuna mina ibribery.
Awu bekufanele ungilalela ngithi fanele uofficer wakho umchatha. Angithi ngiyareporta mina ikufisa ifisa wakho. Angithi uyaboreka ngomsebenzi wakho
police station.
Uyaboreka nepolice
ukuthi yena alethe iproof yokuthi
sidlalile iproof epolice
kuye police station mina manje.
Ngoba sidlalile police station.
Still they are waiting for them ukuthi balethe iproof.
Hayi mama sibadlalile iproof.
Asambe si angeke ngibone police station.
Mama thina sizoreporta i-officer yakho here. Sizoreport i-incident.
Ungaseli.
Uqala ngokungirasela uzongitshela lokho ngabafazi sobabili ke phela mfazi. Lalela yabo ngoba akusho ukuthi ubugqoki uniform kahle. Hayibo.
Khuluma khona nalo baba
umsebenzi wakho lo.
lento yenzile
That's your responsibility, mfaz. That's your responsibility.
Ngiyashaya itafula
Ngizoshaya itafula lakho. That's your responsibility.
Ngiyashaya kwakho.
You are public. Lalela, nawe khona kwakho la. You are here to serve. Ho. Wayefika kanjani yena lo mama? Ngifuna ama-credentials alo mama. Ufunde phi? Utrainwe phi lo mama? Ureporta bani kulo mama? Babudlamini ureporta kubani umama? Ngicela ungiphe ama-details akhe.
Lento icela make official lokuqhamukako stokhona kulokhaya.
Mboleka ipeni. Nandi ngaphansi kwefoni yakho.
Sabona kubona.
Danke. Ngicela ungiphe ipeni inamba yakho kuqala. Dlamini.
Inkosi Mandla,
I-rank yakho.
ngi-deputy director.
Deputy. Kanti sithola umuntu oright kangaka. Kodwa ku-finance.
No, under finance. That's why
Angithi
I'm
manje
working under finance.
deputy director ngijabulisa ukuthi lama records esiwafuna wathola kahle sikhulume nomuntu relevant ongeyasalokho esisale ka public works though. Okay, umphathi wala inamba yakho bakudlamini. Akho le office elishaya namathenda
Liplelo.
la.
No, sisebenza ka finance, which is lo kind of supply chain. It's not tenders per se, because my tenders angishadilwa Department of Finance at head office.
Yeah.
Yes.
So umuntu mayiletho CSD bakhe paperwork yakhe uyakwazi ukufuna umsebenzi la direct.
No, angisho CSD, you update it yourself and make yourself available with my commodities.
Yes.
Then tine as la must request for procurement.
Procurement
We
or
withdraw
maintenance
from the
yangaphakathi. Yes. All right.
Then
So kusho uwe nje wangifaka ezintweni basho njalo abantu.
no, I monitor the process.
You better all right.
I'm not
Ufaka isignature yokugcina in other words.
not the last signature.
Yakho in between somewhere.
I'm working.
Cha phela ngithi if you are working is still no faka isignature is part of umsebenzi wakho.
No, as local as far the last signature.
Okay.
I'm
But
still
ke le
managing the
bengithi ngiyayicela
process.
is relevant to you angithi.
Which
Eyimoto
one?
lezi kade ziboshwe over the weekend ukuze sikwazi ukuthola
But actually, you are an external person. If you are an external person, when I give information, it should go through my HOD.
but ngisho khona ukuthi but it's the relevant office. Kodwa ukuthi the processes okwenza
Thank
fanele
you.
adlule through bani?
Through our HOD.
Your HOD, who's your HOD?
As the head of department, Mr. CM Rolo.
Uyabona ke manje unginike ama information engaphelela ngicela ungipheke.
No, I'm sure you were asking about
Or
my
specific.
district, my region.
Yes.
I'm department in Gulu, in a former regions.
Cela ungiboleke pen. Yes.
This region is Hertzbande. He head their Konangbab Chilwan. I'm sure looking for the head of the district.
La ngaphakathi yes.
Yes.
Kodwa mina as for izinto engidingayo nokulodge complaint yami.
You can lodge complaint wherever
Okay.
Chilwan can assist you.
Head of department yena bani?
Mr. Morolo,
Ukephi yena?
head of Eastern Street.
Bani Morolo. Sebe how far goes?